we're back. 8 months later. Kenny's doing pee. So what a challenge. Hey Kenny, say hi. 8 months, busy. So busy I don't have time. I'll probably record this video. It's gonna be 8 months before I edit it. Right, so this one was a bit of a challenge to take it off. There's lots of screws at the bottom, few at the top, but there was a couple hidden ones. You had to take the chrome pieces off here, and there was a screw right there to be removed, and the same on this side. So chrome needs to be removed, and then hidden screws, and that's off now.
The parking sensor will buy it.
Yeah, parking sensors, I don't know, must have been either aftermarket sensors or been installed after, because they were going behind. No, yeah, but I'm saying after manufacturer maybe or something installed, I don't know. But yeah, the cables everywhere. Awkward, can't really easily remove it. But anyway, we got there in the end. So this one, it's getting a full body kit on the front, so the parking sensors, those ones will have to come off. And we will have to cut the new parking sensors in that bumper. The back bumper has already been done. That just needs to be installed. The front grille is getting painted, is it? Did you say yes?
Yeah.
So we need to get that painted. The Subaru is going bumblebee yellow. We'll get some stripes later on. Actually doesn't look that bad. So we had this car a couple of years ago, probably for detailing. It was
longer than a couple.
it was nice and clean, but it's not anymore. So, but he always wanted the car get wrapped, so that's it. We're getting it wrapped now in yellow. We've got Porsche next week coming in for blue wrap, gloss blue. We've got a BMW 6 Series for psychedelic 3M, a rainbow effect. So that's gonna be interesting one as well. It's so hot today. Vinyl is so soft. It's just needs some, yeah, it needs some aircon. I mean, like I even red on my face. You need some red aircon in this place. So we go need an aircon in the summer. Aircon in the summer, and we need a heater in the winter. So basically, we need aircon to keep it the same temperature all the way around. Right, it's that time of the day. We're 2 days behind with the Subaru. They made the Mitsubishi sign squint. Dealers. Or dealers, manufacturers, should I say? Yeah, so actually no bad. I started at 1 o'clock, so go 2 doors, fender, bonnet, and other jobs in between. But tomorrow will be quarter and a whole other side boot, and we'll see if I can start on a bumper. Probably not, maybe, but it's gonna be a challenge. The bumper is gonna be the challenge. The front one, I might do the back one. That'll be easier. So I'll do the back one, leave the front one for Friday, and then put it back together. Most likely you won't be ready for Monday because the Porsche is coming, so you should be ready for Monday, but we'll see. Unless we do overtime. Are we doing overtime? Saturday working again?
No.
No working Saturdays anymore, so maybe you have to start again. Right, we'll see how we're going. We'll get Sean tomorrow. I might put him on the camera. Sean is coming. He's coming back.
She's coming.
Shawnee boy is coming to do whatever needs to be done. To do whatever needs to be done.
You can see you out of practice, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, it's been a while. I'm so red, man. You need some aircon here. Seriously, you'll open the windows or something.
No, you're just blushing.
Oh, I'll miss you guys, that's right. Alright, until the next time. I don't know, wherever it's gonna be.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, probably. See ya.
You're all quite red, aren't we?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Must be that camera, I think. Or is it too much? Looking at that yellow doesn't help either.
Yeah, let's try out this.
Yeah. That's what my wife says.
What? Try outside.
No. What? No, she says. No, what she says?
I don't know.
She hates when I say, see ya.